All right, today we got a Black Max gas pressure washer, 3100 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute. This has got an onboard soap tank, 4 quick connect hoses, 25-foot high pressure hose for extended reach. So this is from Walmart. This costs about $300. I think with tax it's like $306 or $310 or something. I did not get this free. I did pay for it. So we're going to see how this goes. But this video, I'll see if I can fit both of them in here. But this is going to be what's in the box and kind of how easy is it to set up. All right, so I went ahead and opened this up, and we kind of got what I really wanted to see. So I'm lazy, so I want this put together as much as possible. Let's put it together, and I'll give you an idea just how long it takes. But so far, I like it. All right, so step number one, we're gonna put these wheels on. You're gonna take one of these larger bolts that comes with 2 of them. You're gonna take this washer. You're gonna take this bolt, put it through the front of the wheel. Put the washer on the other side. Put that through like that. So once you got your wheel on, you're just going to take this little cotter pin and you're just going to stick this part right in this little hole. And I'll zoom in so you can kind of see. But it's going to look just like that. Now that we have our wheels on, we're going to take this handle. We're just going to go ahead and put it on. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take this nozzle storage and you're going to line it up on these 4 holes. You're going to take your 4 bolts and stick them through, and then you're going to take your handle. And according to the instructions, it's got it on the left side. So we're gonna put this on the left side just like that. And we're gonna bolt these 4 bolts down. To this gun.
Gun? Alright.
Now that we have our gun in here, we just connected it to this little trigger handle. We're gonna go ahead and connect the other end of this hose to this back part back here. It's gonna be like this gold copper looking piece. And there's some O-rings that there was one inside of this and one inside of this. They give you extra just in case they start leaking or anything. You can use those O-rings. And like I said, they're just these right here, and they gave you 2 extra. This is super easy to put together so far. So far I like it a lot. Seems like it's built all right. The wheels are a little bit wobbly, but for as fast as we put it together, as long as it works good, I'm gonna be one happy camper. All right, so let me get some oil in here, and then we'll add some gas. Get a funnel, and then it says you're gonna fill this up to where it's a little bit more than half. And you wanna make sure that this over here, this little knob is to off. It's like I'm using it all. I used the whole thing that they gave me. Check it again real quick. Okay. Mine's about halfway. I don't know if you can see that. Mine's about halfway. So that's gonna work for me. But I did use the entire bottle that it gave me. And on the instructions it says we should have about 2 ounces left, which is not much. It said it wanted me to go over, so we'll see. But I did use all the oil that it gave me. And it's premium 4-cycle small engine lubricant, so I have to make sure to get premium. Don't necessarily think you have to, but I'm gonna use what it came with. And let's put some gasoline in this and crank it on. Alright, so we added some gas. We're gonna turn this from off to on. And we're gonna crank it real quick and just kind of test it out just for a minute. I'll do another part 2 where I do like a more in-depth test, because I know like these nozzles go from like 0 to 25 to 40, and then this is basically useless. And my favorite nozzle is like a 15. I think that one does the best cleaning, so I'm gonna get a 15 before I try to clean something off. But I'm just gonna shoot it right here at this little paw print that's been spray painted on. Try to crank this up real quick. Just a FYI, you'll smell like a little burned smell, kind of like a burnt smell. But that's just from the very first time using it. So far, I like it. Like I said, easy to set up, simple. I like that the most. But stay tuned for a part 2, and I'm gonna get a 15-degree nozzle, and we'll see what this thing can really do.